everyone, I'm Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some outfits which I picked up recently. So I ordered some outfits, rather long gowns for some photo shoots that I was planning, like bridal photo shoot, those cheesy ones, and couple shoots and all that. I wanted to get some pictures with my girlfriends, so something of those sort where not the typical ones where all the bridesmaids wear one color. I just hate that. No, not that one. But basically just some pictures with my girlfriends where all of us wear like gowns and dress up. So all of the outfits are from Everypretty.com, and I absolutely love them. And I'll show you guys all the outfits. So this is the first one. And before we get into the outfits, let me just briefly tell you guys. So it's a little difficult to find dresses and outfits for curvy bodies and even for plus size. So this size actually has quite a lot of options, and you have options for every size actually. But yeah, so if you're looking for something and if you wear plus size, then do check out this site. So I'll leave all the details in the description box, and I do not have to pay customs and they ship internationally. The delivery did take a little bit of time, so if you have an occasion coming up like a birthday or like whatever other plans you have, so make sure that you order ahead so that it reaches you in time, because it will definitely take around 15 to 20 days is what I think, but I'll put the exact time that it took for delivery over here, and I'll also leave the prices on the screen. Now let's get started. So this is the first outfit. As you can see, it's a beautiful net gown, and I absolutely love this one. It's just too pretty, and I actually saw Sakshi wear this. I think her handle is Style Me Up with Sakshi. So she's a Delhi-based blogger, and she's a curvy blogger who's been doing amazingly well. She does some really good styling videos. Do check her out. So I saw her style this outfit, and I had my eye on this from such a long time. So I picked this one up. So I'm not really sure yet if I'm wearing this or my friend is going to wear this, because both of us really like this dress. And this is the back of the dress. And it actually has this, you can also tie a knot here. It's so pretty and delicate. The color is also so beautiful. And this one's available in different colors in case you're looking for some. And they're actually floor length gowns. And I really like the length. And they come with pads. And the fit is actually really good for all of the outfits. Look of it is absolutely gorgeous. So if you're looking to get gowns made, then you can directly order them from this site, instead of actually getting them done from a designer boutique or something like that. So yeah, this one's the first outfit, and now moving on to the next one. So this one's my favorite of all of them. I'm actually not that fond of pink generally. I know it can be a little surprising, but I really like other pastel colors like peach or mint blue actually, or green, mint green, those kind of colors. I even like red. I really like all those colors than pink, but I really like the design and how this turned out. This is really beautiful floral detailing here, and the entire silhouette is so beautiful and it sits really well. I really like the flow of this dress, and this is a georgette sort of material. The light pink one was net, and when I saw this on the website, I wasn't really sure if it was going to look this beautiful, but I really like this dress. So I think this is the dress that I'm going to wear. I'm not really sure yet. I've put a couple of options. You know how it goes when it's your birthday, or when you're looking to do a photo shoot, or if you're looking for something for your bridal gowns or whatever. You need to have a couple of options because things might go wrong at the last minute. So this is one of those options. I really like how it sits. I've tried this dress on. I'm not doing a try on haul because as I mentioned, I got these for the photo shoot and probably for some events. So that's when you'll see the dress. You'll see pictures on Instagram and even probably videos here on YouTube. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, this one's my favorite dress, and this is what the back looks like. And again, it's a very flowy dress. Comes with padding here, and the inner seam and the lining and everything looks really, really nice and well made. Very beautiful gown. Now this, again, when I say bridal photo shoot, I know it can be confusing when I show you guys a black dress, but I really like the flow of this dress, and I don't have anything in black, and I think it'd be suitable for one of those cheesy pictures like on the beach, or just walking in the nature, those kind of cheesy pictures that you see for weddings, those kind of things. So this one has this drape at the back which looks very beautiful, and This one's a little out there and this one's a little loose on me, so I think I have to get it fitted because otherwise there is a little bit of a side boob thing going on. But yeah, otherwise I like the dress. I think this one's also available in different colors. So it has this detailing here, and from here on it's like a flowy gown again. This is the back of the dress, and I'm sorry I'm not able to try them on and show you guys right now, but you'll see pictures. But I'll include a screenshot here so that you can see how the dress looks in case you would like to get it for yourself. So these are the 3 gowns that I picked up, and I have more videos coming up where I'll show you guys some of the outfits that I get and some of the Indian wear also which I'm getting done for the wedding and all that. I know there's a lot of wedding related videos coming up. I hope I'm not boring you guys. Do let me know in the comments below. You're going to see other content too. I'm not going to bore you guys with like back-to-back wedding related videos, but you will see some of them here and there. Let me know if you'd like me to try out any other websites and if you have any other suggestions. So do check out this website. They have really good quality and the gowns are beautiful. I wish I got more of them, but this is the first time that I'm trying the site. So I love all 3 of them. So do check them out and leave the link in the description box, and do follow me on Instagram for all these pictures and updates on everything. And more of these videos coming up, so do stay tuned. And before you go, do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.